Today I have an onion boil. Ooh. Let's stuff the core with rice. Cheers. Mm-hmm. Eating the rice with this, I'm kind of full now. This could pass as a meal. Let's finish the last onion though. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Love y'all. I gotta go to Walmart later. Today I have an onion bowl and rice. So dig into the rice and put it in the onion right there. Rice makes this like 10 times better. I'm not even kidding. The core. The onions hold their heat. Whew, that was hot. Today I have a cheesy onion boil. Y'all, I'm gonna bite this one whole. Cheers. Y'all, I should have let this cool down. This is so hot. Oh my gosh. Like, this is literally so hot. Whew.
We got an onion bowl today. Yo, this is so freaking good. Yo, I know this may sound weird, but I added a little chili oil to my butter sauce. And wow, that's all I can say is wow. Y'all, definitely 10 out of 10. Y'all, I should have made more. Like, oh. This is so good. Is this healthy? Hope so. My last bite.
Mm.